my unbiased Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review. We all know nowadays the overweight problem is one of the greatest concern all over the world. 83% of men and 72% of women are now suffering from overweight problem. If you are one of them and want to get rid of your overweight problem and come to know that the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic could help you to lose your weight, but still you are confused about whether to buy it or not, then you are in the perfect Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review. Watch the video till the end and you will come to know about everything about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. So first of all, I will give you an overview about the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. So the real name of this product is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The product is in weight loss category. The main benefits of this product is to help to lose your weight. This is a powder based supplement and you have to take this tonic once a day before 10 a.m. and it takes 3 to 6 months for getting maximum health benefits, and there are no side effects of this product, and the one bottle cost only $69, but if you take 3 bottles of 6 bottles, they offers you discount. And my personal verdict about this product is 9 out of 10, and this is highly recommended. So now, what is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a natural supplement that helps you to natural weight loss by targeting the root cause of unnatural weight gain. This supplement is a mix of natural and organic ingredients that heats up and melts large amount of fat, releasing it as energy. This tonic also offers you a tone and slim body, healthy blood pressure, healthy blood sugar without any exercise, without any dieting, and also without any weight loss gadget or weight loss pill. So, who needs Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is for those who are suffering from excess body fat, who are tired of trying other weight loss supplements, weight loss gadgets, but haven't gotten any lasting results, who are fed up with their strict food habit but haven't seen any improvement, who wants to live a healthy life and wants to feel younger, stronger, and confident. So, how does it work? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic basically targets the root cause of belly fat. There are a tiny protein named C productive protein or CRP, which is found in every overweight person's blood. This CRP or C productive protein it damages our mitochondria and also blocks the metabolism. So the food we take can break into energy. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic targets the CRP and switches of it, and it also instantly activated the most powerful fat burning hormone, which names adiponectin. Adiponectin started the fat cell burning instantly, and it also support healthy blood sugar, healthy blood pressure. And when the adiponectin reaches an optimal stage, the weight loss become very easier. So, the benefits of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. There are lots of benefits of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. It helps you to lose your weight, it increases your energy level, supports healthy blood pressure, supports healthy blood sugar, provides you enough fiber in your body, provides you enough vitamins in your body, and it also ensures sound sleep. It also helps you to feel younger, stronger, and confident. And the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic made with 100% natural ingredients, but it made with mainly 4 kinds of herbs and 4 kinds of berries. There are a lot of these benefits of this tonic, and these ingredients works together to lose your weight or boost energy level. So see, the 4 kinds of herbs. Number 1 is EGCG. EGCG is a plant compound which is found in green tea and white tea, which burns extra calories and converts fat into energy. Another is piperine. Piperine mainly prevents fat storage and blocks fat cell formation, and also keeps you healthy and toned after you lose your excess body fat. The another one is inulin. Inulin targets the most difficult fat in our body, whose name is visceral, and switches off it. Inulin also switches off food cravings for high calories food like pizza, burgers, from our bread, and also support healthy digestive system. The another one, hibiscus sapdariffa. It means delicate flowers, and this flower accelerates the overall weight loss effect. The four kinds of berries. Number one is aronia berry, which supports immunity, increases energy, and it's also a great source of fiber. Number two is acai berry. Acai berry supports healthy brain function and also controls healthy cholesterol level. And another one is mulberry. We all know about this. Mulberry mainly supports healthy blood sugar, and it also helps to burn our extra body fat. Another is Momordica charantica, who is also known as bitter melon. It helps you to reduce blood sugar, decrease cholesterol levels, and also speed up weight loss. So now, what are the side effects of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? So, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is made with 100% natural ingredients. This tonic is free from all allergens and toxins, and it is also FDA approved and GMP certified. So the tonic is perfectly safe, and there are no side effects of this tonic. But yes, if you are in a special body condition like pregnancy, then I suggest you to consult your doctor before taking this tonic. And this tonic is only for ages over 18 years old. So if you are under 18 years old, so I suggest you to not to take this tonic. And yes, always keep this tonic out of the reach of children. So now, how fast it loses weight? It depends on how much weight you have to lose. Basically, it takes 1 or 2 months to give you your perfect weight. But science recommended to take this tonic for 3 to 6 months for getting maximum health benefit. So reviews from the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic users. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is getting 100% positive feedback from their users. See, one of the users of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonics named Courtney from Pennsylvania says that she feels full of positive energy when she wake up in the mornings, and she was able to wear her favorite jeans again after so many years, and she don't feel any hunger for crafts anymore. Another user named John from New Jersey said that his weight was getting out of control, and he couldn't even walk up to the stairs without getting out of the bed, and he also worried about their heart and blood sugar. But after taking this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, he noticed that the changes were happening only after 3 days. And he feels like he has a lot of energy, and the weight loss also started very fast. So, cost of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic offers a very reasonable price. See, the 30-day supply of 1 bottle Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic cost only $69 per bottle, and with a small shipping fee. And the 180-day supply of 6 bottle tonics totally cost $294, which means it costs $49 per bottle, and the shipping fee is free. And also the 90-day supply of 3 bottles totally costs $177, which means it costs $59 per bottle, and the shipping fee is also free. And so the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic offers you a very reasonable price. So should you buy it or not? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic made with 100% natural ingredients. There are no side effects of this tonic, and there are no chance of losing your money buying this tonic, because this tonic offers a 90 days money back guarantee. So if you are suffering from a overweight problem and tried other weight loss supplements, workout plans, but haven't gotten any lasting results, so I suggest you to take this tonic, because the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic surely worth a try. But for getting the real Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, you must order this from the official website. I have put this link in my description box, so check it out now. And hope this review was very helpful for you. Wishing all you a very healthy life. Thanks.